You are viewing Video Vocab. We believe in the value of edutainment. We're here to entertain you in such a way that we help you to improve your active vocabulary. To achieve this, we will use clips from movies, TV shows, and podcasts.
Hearth.
I'll go and get something to eat. Not because I want something to eat, but because if I don't get something to eat, you won't go to sleep. Good night. It's a little chilly in here, isn't it?
Oh, I got just the spot for you. Here, grab the cow. And we'll gather around the fire, huh?
Okay.
Got a nice open hearth job here with some Vermont logs burning briskly.
Please tell Earl Ingstad how much I admire her and that she is always welcome at my hearth.
Konungen säger att jag dör han och så att jag välkommen av hans bord.
Säg till konungen att mir sinnes välmäret. Det är så flätligt att hon verkar smittat.
She says she likes the necklace. It is so beautiful that it must have been made by dwarves.
It's so cold out. It's cuddle weather.
It's unseasonably warm, actually, for this time of year, but,
I really wanted to come here with you. I mean, the Christmas tree is the foundation of Christmas. It's the hearth of the Christmas home. Without it, there wouldn't be anywhere to hang the ornaments or put the presents under.
yeah, whenever we put the tree up, I always knew Christmas was really here. This one's too small.
It began as you might expect. In a hole in the ground, there lived a hobbit. Not a nasty, dirty, wet hole full of worms and oozy smells. This was a hobbit hole. And that means good food, a warm hearth, and all the comforts of home.
One extra week of work. Granted, it's a holiday week. But, David, I'm not asking them to donate a kidney. I don't appreciate being treated like Captain Bligh. Well, say something.
Aye. Maybe if you didn't make them swab the deck on Christmas.
David, I am as unhappy about this as they are. But business is business.
But it's Christmas, Maddie. Christmas. You remember Christmas? Home and hearth, Donner and Blitzen, Pa and Humbug.
Well, do you mind if we come in and have a look around? Just a few questions.
Lovely home. Shame to lose it.
I'm really sorry for the mess. It's really difficult having baby Jeffrey.
Did you have to wear that hat?
One pair.
What? I never get a chance to wear it.
So,
Sophia? Is that a hearth?
that's a hearth.
Ever put anything on that hearth?
Plants.
Hearth. The floor or area in front of a fireplace, often connected with warmth and home. It can also symbolize family life, comfort, and togetherness. When you see the pause button on these definition screens, you can pause if you would like to keep reading. Magnanimous.
It's now or never.
Forgive me, Your Majesty, but you seem to have dropped this on your way out.
My goodness. I do not even remember putting it on. Thank you, child. It is a rare person indeed who would return such a valuable keepsake.
You are too magnanimous, Majesty.
Hey, welcome back to the Mikey Tony Magnanimous Hour, where real people get magnanimous about real things. This week's real thing, hey, Native Americans, if I saw you on the street begging, I'd throw a buck in your moccasin. Next week's magnanimous thing, I'm wearing this yellow bracelet. You're welcome.
Peter, what the hell is that thing?
It's a dingo. I named him Bingo. If you can't have fun with that, you're crazy.
I demand to speak with the king directly.
You have made that plain. So I will be equally plain. It was not your company who defied you out there, but rather you who defied the High King by refusing to heed any limit placed upon you. In an act of magnanimity, he has chosen to honor your accomplishments rather than dwell upon your insolence.
Magnanimous. Very generous, kind, and forgiving, especially towards someone who has wronged you. It often describes someone who rises above resentment or pettiness. Yuletide.
There is a girl that I wish I were with tonight. It's a girl that I loved a long time ago. A girl that I still love. Claire, do you remember? Tonight, I think we could do this without serious physical or psychological damage.
When I first heard your plan, Agent Maxwell, I was skeptical, but I was wrong.
Your father would be very proud of you.
Thank you, sir.
What is an 8-letter word for Christmas? Starts with a Y.
Yuletide.
Oh my gosh, perfect. Now, you sure this guy's going to be able to get the book for you?
What can I say? He's a master of deception.
Whenever the locals want help, invariably it's Trapper John McIntyre they turn to.
Whatever it is, it's urgent.
He helped with a difficult delivery that added one more precious life to the village. A bouncing baby veal, for which service the doctor received 1 gallon of mother's milk. Father Mulcahy is stringing popcorn all over the place in an attempt to give this cesspool a Yuletide look. He's a terrific guy, our priest, but I never tell him because I don't want to foul up his humility.
You didn't want to come in? He was just dropping something off.
Well, aside from the home invasion and the child abduction, I'd say this was a rather merry solstice. Bright Yuletide, Spellmans. Come on, Sabrina.
Give my life meaning. Give me a sign.
Happy solstice, Miss Wardwell.
Sabrina. Bright Yuletide to you and your family.
And now she's totally winning celebrity rehab.
Hey, guys. A Yuletide riddle. What is my second favorite word that begins with B-O-N?
Bon Jovi.
What is my third favorite word that begins with B-O-N? Bonus. As in, my end-of-the-year bonus check.
My God, Barney. I work for G&B too. All I got was a $15 gift card to Costa Coffee.
And you earned it, buddy.
Yuletide. The Christmas season, especially the time of celebration in winter. It comes from old traditions celebrating midwinter and has a warm, festive tone. Merriment.
A toast to the glorious mysteries of life, to all that binds a family as one, to mirth, to merriment, to manslaughter, to dear friends, to new friends, to youth.
How do I look?
Disturbing.
To passion.
To paradise.
Oh, Scott. We were so worried again.
Oh, gosh. You mean about tonight?
Yeah.
You know me, the world's greatest showman. I was just goofing on everybody. We should be celebrating. Where's all the music and merriment?
What happened up there tonight?
Nothing but a cake. Everything was super duper. Dope.
No.
Not cracking. Not cracking.
Just tell her.
The big man fell off the roof.
Oh, Scott.
It was horrible. My whole life flashed before my eyes.
You should show people your talent.
Nope. No way. I don't need everyone knowing I'm a weirdo.
Ah, stop. My inventions make me look like a weirdo at the North Pole. But I know one day, one of my ideas will change Christmas. Don't hide what makes you unique. The detector! Merriment is spiking. Jolliness levels in the red. We must be close.
Taser
is mine honor to warmly welcomest thou to the Middle Ages, Squire Josh Winestock. At thy service, here are your complimentary crowns. Enjoy yon merriment.
All right, Betty, the sooner you tackle that horsey, the sooner I tackle something in a cod piece.
This is gonna be the easiest $1,000 I've ever earned.
I think thou might be screwed.
Attention, seniors. Before the merriment of commencement commences, I hope that your years with us here at Rydell High have prepared you for the challenges you face. Who knows, among you there may be a future Eleanor Roosevelt or a Rosemary Clooney. And among you young men, there may be a Joe DiMaggio, a President Eisenhower, or even a Vice President Nixon.
Merriment. Lively happiness, laughter, and joyful celebration. It often describes the cheerful mood of parties, holidays, and festive gatherings. Although Yuletide existed for many centuries prior, most people associate it to mean Christmas. The season brings out magnanimous tendencies in many people. The best place to experience merriment is with guests and family at one's hearth and home. If you like this episode of Video Vocab, please like and subscribe. We challenge you to add a comment on what you think are the sources for any of these video clips. Can you guess which movie, TV show, or podcast they come from? Each clip has the word and a clip number to help you identify it in your comments. Some are obscure, so have fun. Also, what is our favorite clip? After a week we will list the sources so you can see how right you were. Thought of the Day by Edna Ferber. Christmas isn't a season. It's a feeling.